Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've had my PC for a while now, nearly a year, but I realised I never did a video explaining the specs, so I thought I'd just go through that now and how the different parts have worked out for me. So I've got a Ryzen 7 3700X. The 5800X was already out when I got the 3700X, but I didn't really need the extra specs, and this CPU has been an absolute beast. It can run multiple virtual machines. It's just perfect for everything I need. Now, I also have a Noctua NHU12S Redux as the CPU cooler. This seems to work fine with my CPU. If I was loading it more heavily than I normally do, I might upgrade the cooler in the future, but for now it's great, and it's quite quiet as Noctua is. The motherboard is actually one of the cheapest B550 ATX boards, but it's perfect for everything I need, and MSI was a good brand. I didn't want to go any lower end than that. The Crucial Ballistics RAM is great. I'm sad that Crucial are discontinuing Ballistics. It was my favourite RAM. It's great value. And I got the RGB because RGB. Actually, recently I added this 120 gig SSD that I got from a family member just because I can run Linux on it. So now I can dual boot Windows and Ubuntu. So then I can do, it works particularly best for Android apps and loads of other stuff as well. But my main disk is a 2TB NVMe WD Blue drive, which I really like. It's got loads of space, but we'll get back to that later. We're going to test it. I only run a GT 1030 for my graphics card. That's because I don't do much gaming at all. But for my case, I have the Antec GF700 Flux Mid Tower, which I love. It's got 5 fans included. I'm only running 4 of them currently, but in a future video we might install the 5th fan and see how that improves GPU temperatures, because my one's only got a passive heatsink. And I have the Corsair TX550M for my power supply. This is all the wattage I need, as I don't run a heavy GPU, and it's 80 plus gold rated, so that's great. So I said we were going to try testing the disk, because I've never actually run Crystal Disk Mark on it, and I was wondering how fast it can go, so I guess we'll have a look. Okay, so there you go. We seem to be getting pretty good speeds there. Now, SSD speed is probably one of the most important things for me, just because I often work with big video files for the YouTube channel and also big virtual machines files. My CPU is as fast as I need. I'm not going to run a benchmark on it right now. Be wary that this is only a PCIe 3 NVMe SSD. You probably get faster speeds with a PCIe 4 SSD, and we'll probably be featuring one of those in another one of my friends' builds, which might be coming up in a few months on the channel. I forgot to film the last one. I got too distracted by the PC building. That's been the specs of my PC. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll answer them. I am also soon going to be doing a series about comparing all of London's transport options, so stay tuned for that. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see on the channel. I know I've not got a very good upload schedule. I'm trying to do better. So yeah, like and subscribe, please, and I'll see you in the next one.